online store owner has faced this problem. Whenever you add a new product, you spend 10 to 15 minutes or sometimes even 20 to 25 minutes writing its description. So now imagine whenever you enter all the details of the product in this Google Sheets, the AI writes a perfect selling description for you automatically. And in this video, I'll show you how you can automatically generate product descriptions using Gemini without coding. So as you can see, I've entered all of my details, and now within seconds and in real time, AI is going to generate the product description and add it right over here back again into my Google Sheets. And you know what I have to do? I just have to sit back and relax. And as you can see that AI has generated this right over here. Now let me show you how this automation can be created. So to create this, just open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of product descriptions, or you can generate up to 100 of product descriptions for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is RITYT. I'll repeat it again. It is RITYT. It is also attached right over here and in the description box below. You can check this discount coupon code and get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos, so it is just for you. But I'll suggest you first try Pabbly Connect. Then if you find it helpful for your business, then you can use this discount coupon code and purchase Pabbly Connect. So now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for Google Sheets and select it right over here. So I'm just going to search for Google Sheets. Now for the event, select new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to receive the web URL, copy this and open your Google Sheets. Now what you have to do is, so let's just first delete these generated descriptions and we're going to generate the new. Alright, so what we're going to do is, first of all, we have to add an extension in this spreadsheet. And to add the extension, go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. Now what you have to do is you have to search for the extension which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then open this. So as you can see that this is the extension which is Pabbly Connect Webhooks which you have to install. After installing this, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in this extensions tab. After you see this option, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. And now it is asking me for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So for the webhook URL, just copy this webhook URL which you have received in your workflow and paste it. After you paste this, for the trigger column, enter your trigger column. So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So I want that when I add these 5 details, the details should be sent towards my webhook URL. Gemini should generate the description and add it right over here in this F column. So that's the reason my trigger column is E, because I want to send 5 details towards my workflow. If you want to send 4 details, your trigger column will be D and so on. It totally depends upon your own spreadsheet. Now click on this submit button, and once you click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. This means that we have created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just click on this send test. Now it is saying test data sent successfully. Alright, so now let's open our workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. This is the first row which data is captured, and now using this, first of all, I'm just going to generate the product description. So for that, I'm going to use Gemini. I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Gemini and select Gemini right over here, which is Google AI Studio. For the event, select it as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Gemini and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for this API key. So to get this API key, go towards this Google AI Studio. The hyperlink is attached in the description. Now from the left end of the site, you're going going to see the option of Get API Key. So go on this Get API Key and click on this Create API Key button. Name your key, select the project and click on this Create Key button and your key will be created. It is very easy. After the key is created, just copy the key and paste it in your workflow like this. Click on this Save and your Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And after creating this connection, it is asking me for the text which will be the prompt to generate this. Alright, so I'm just going to enter the prompt, and over here in this prompt I'm just going to enter all the details like the product name, product type, key features and the target audience. But over here is the trick that we don't have to enter the details manually by typing it right over here, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And in order to map these details, just put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. Like I want to map this target audience, so I've put it a slash and then done this. Now for the tone, I'm going to put a slash, search for the tone and map it. After entering all of these details for the model, I'm going to keep it as 2.5 flash. You can change this according to your own choice. For the method, keep it as generate content and click on this save and send test request. As you can see, I'm going to click on the save and send test request and Gemini is going to generate me the product description according to my prompt. If you also want to use this prompt, I have attached the workflow URL in the description box below. You can check it out and you can get my prompt from there. So as you can see, Gemini has successfully generated me the product description. Now let's add this in my Google Sheets. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, you have to select it as update cell value. So search for the same. As you can see, the same selected. Click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection. Now what you have to do is you have to click on this sign in with Google and select the Gmail account with the help of which you want to build this connection. Then Pabbly is going to ask you for some permission, so click on this continue and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us and your Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now what you have to do is you have to select the same spreadsheet and the sheet in which you want to add the details. So I'm going to select the same right over here. For the spreadsheet, I'm just going to search for my spreadsheet which is AI product descriptions and select it. Now for the sheet, I'm going to keep it as sheet 1. Now it is asking me for the range, so we have to enter the column name and the row index. So as you can see that this cell needs to be updated, which is F2. So I'm going to enter the column name which is F and then the row index which is 2. But over here what is going to happen is that this F will remain constant because only F is going to update, but the row index will change. It will be 2, then 3, then 4 and so on. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep this F as constant, which is static, but we're going to map the row index. So let's map the row index, put a slash and then map the row index. For the value, just map the value which is the product description with Gemini generated and click on this save and send test request. Now you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details in our Google Sheets, and you're going to see the details are added. Not only this, now whenever we're going to add the new details right over here in our Google Sheets, instantly the product description will be generated and added right over here in my Google Sheets. And yes, there is also a hack for this. So as you can see, the details are added. What you have to do is you have to go to this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure that this button which is send on event is switched on. Otherwise this workflow is not going to run in real time. When this button is switched on, every time a new event occurs, the details will be sent towards your workflow and then further the description will be generated. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'm just going to attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check out my prompt too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.